Hello everyone, hi, this is Teacher Shane. Welcome back to Shane's Magic Tree House. Hey guys, give me a high five. High five again. Very good. In the last video, we spelled 5 vocabulary food words. Yeah, it was chicken, hot dogs, pizza, pasta, and soup. Right? Yes, we did. Now we are going to put those words in a sentence pattern. Are you guys ready? All right, here we go. The first sentence pattern is pizza. Do you like to eat pizza? Yes, I like to eat pizza. I do too. It's my favorite food. The next sentence pattern is hot dogs. Here we go. Do you like ketchup with your hot dogs? Yes, I like ketchup with my hot dogs. Very good. The next sentence pattern is soup. Here we go. Is the soup hot? Yes, the soup is hot. Or you can say, no, the soup is not hot. Awesome. The next sentence pattern is chicken. Do you want to eat chicken with rice? No, I do not want to eat chicken with rice. You can also say, yes, I like to eat chicken with rice. Very good. The final sentence pattern is pasta. Is your pasta delicious? Yes, my pasta is delicious. Very good. Great job, everyone. We just learned 5 sentence patterns in this video. Great job, everyone. High five. Great job. Thank you guys so much for looking at my video. And I hope to see you guys again next time. Keep practicing and you will get better in English in no time. Bye-bye.